and welcome to Little Learners. In today's video we've got something slightly different because I have an amazing opportunity to talk to you about. So there is a company that you may have heard of called ViewSonic, and they are running a competition to win some pretty awesome prizes. So I reached out to them and asked them if they wanted to kind of partner up a bit with this, and in return ViewSonic are sponsoring this video, so thank you so much to them. The first prize in this competition is an amazing interactive whiteboard called a view board for your classroom or your child's classroom or just your local school. This view board that you can win for the classroom is worth $6,000. That's over £4,500. Now, as a teacher, I know how vital having a decent interactive whiteboard can be for the classroom. So imagine what it would be like to have a brand new 75-inch whiteboard in your classroom or in your child's classroom. I want one. Now, if you don't win the first prize, there is a really cool second prize and a third prize and some other prizes too. Second prize, a 27-inch interactive display screen. So it's kind of like having the interactive whiteboard in miniature. Third prize is the M1 ultra portable LED projector, and then there's more. There are 10 honourable mention prizes, which are £40 Amazon vouchers, which basically means you can buy anything because you can pretty much buy anything on Amazon. So, do you want to know how you can win these prizes? It's super simple because at the moment there aren't many people entering this competition, so we've got a really good chance as the Little Learners family to win this. Okay, so because this is obviously a lot about ViewSonic's amazing whiteboard, the competition involves you using one. On your whiteboard or chalkboard, you are going to draw a Guldian finch, which is this beautifully colourful bird. The reason that this is what you have to draw is because ViewSonic's logo has 3 of these gorgeous birds in it, so you get the idea. So you draw your bird. You then take a photo of what you've drawn and upload it to your Instagram account. You then make sure that you use the hashtag mywhiteboardart and hashtag UK. You can also tag me in it if you want to, because I am definitely going to be looking at any entries into this competition, so it would be really nice to know if you've entered because you're part of the Little Learners family. So once you've posted that onto Instagram, go onto the website, which I've linked in the description box below, and fill out their form so that they know that you definitely want to enter the competition. So once you've done all of that, it really is just about getting the likes. So tell your friends about it, tag me in it, and I will like it, so that you can try and get as many as possible. But if you don't get lots of likes, don't worry, because there are 2 different ways you can win prizes for this competition. For first and second place, the winners will be chosen by ViewSonic's panel of judges. For third place and honourable mentions, those will be allocated depending on who gets the most likes on their pictures. So it is just so simple. So, to recap, to win these prizes, all you need to do is draw a golden finch on a whiteboard. Take a photo of your picture on the whiteboard, post it to Instagram. Go on the website, linked below, to let the company know that you are entering this competition, and then try and get as many likes as you can on your Instagram photo. Give this video a like if you are thinking about entering and if you think that this is a good opportunity. And don't forget to subscribe to Little Learners so that you never miss another opportunity like this. Now, you have got quite a bit of time to enter, but the sooner you do enter, the more likes you can be getting over that amount of time. So this competition started on the 14th of January, it is ending on the 31st of March, and the winners will be announced on the 29th of April. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.